First, select the range of cells you want to print. Go to the Page Layout tab in the ribbon at the top of the screen and click on Print Area. Then, select Set Print Area from the drop-down menu. Now click on Size in the Page Setup section. From there, you can choose the paper size you want to print on. You can also adjust the margins to fit more data onto the page. If your data is still not fitting onto one page, you may need to adjust the scale. Go to the Page Setup section and click on Scale to Fit. From there, you can choose to scale the sheet down to a certain percentage until it fits on one page. Once you've adjusted everything to your liking, click on the File button in the top left corner of the screen. Go Print. You can also use the shortcut key Ctrl+P to open the Print dialog box. Select Printer and hit Print. And there you have it. Your Excel sheet should now be printed on one page. Remember to preview your print before printing it to avoid any unwanted surprises. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to check out the playlist in the description below to learn more about Excel. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks.